Today what we're going to do is a 3-tiered fall wedding cake. So what we're going to start with are the items that are going to go on the cake. We're going to do some sunflowers, we're going to do some pumpkins, and I want to do a little bit of a straw kind of look backing the pumpkins and flowers. So to do that, I actually start with this. This is an Asian noodle that I just found in the grocery store, just down the aisle that has all the Asian food and everything. And it's a bean noodle, and what you need to do, it comes in a packet like this, and there's several of these in the packet. You need to get some warm water and then just take this and just kind of pull it apart a little bit. It starts flying everywhere, and just kind of place it in there. We need to soak that for between 5 to 10 minutes and just kind of loosen that up. Okay, so I'm going to move down here, and this is what we're going to do here. We're going to make these sunflowers. So I'll start by showing you those. For this project, you can see on this other tray here, I have a series of different types of daisy cutters. I love these. These are called plunger cutters, and you can usually find these online at specialty cake supply stores that are online. If you can't find anything like this, though, you can just use daisy cutters that you can find. These were at the local arts and crafts store. This one, I don't even know where I picked that up, but you could also use a cookie cutter that's a daisy shape. So we start with, this is actually gum paste. Okay, I buy the gum paste ready-made, or you can make it yourself. You can look online, find plenty of, just punch in gum paste recipe, and a whole bunch of different recipes will come up. So it's very accessible. And then what I did is I just put either use an egg yellow or golden yellow liquid gel paste color, and just knead it into the gum paste so you have this nice bright yellow. So I just need to knead it up a little bit. This is cornstarch in a nylon stocking, and just dust your surface. Take a rolling pin and just start to roll this out. Okay, so you want this to be, it's not paper thin, but it's not as thick as the fondant would be that you would place over your cake. It's a little bit in between. And then I like to take 2 different sizes of the cutters, so I'll just go ahead and do this size right here, place it down, and I have to push pretty hard, and I also just kind of rotate it to the right and to the left to get a nice clean cut. Then I pick it up usually, and just kind of go like this. This gets rid of any of the frayed edges around your cutter. And the nice thing about these plastic cutters is if you push down like this, it actually will leave little marks on your flower for you. Make a nice little design. So if I'm using this size, then I like to go ahead and take the next size down. Do the same thing, and then pop that one down. Now the thing about gum paste, it dries faster and it'll dry harder than fondant. So you have to cut these out all at the same time, and then roll up your excess fondant and make sure that you cover that in plastic so it doesn't completely dry out on you. The next thing I like to do is just take, this is just plastic wrap, and I've just kind of scrunched it together, and then I just kind of swirl it around in a circular shape, with a hole in the center. That way I can actually lift up my flower and place it over the top, and the center will go down, and then these petals out here, I kind of position them so they go down. Okay, then for this one in the center, you can either use a little bit of water, or I'm going to use just a little bit of shortening on the back. Either one will work, and place this right over the top and push down and secure it in the center.